So, you've got a business and you're thinking of expanding your payment options? Or maybe you're just curious about this new digital payment trend. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay and how to set up your very own merchant account. Let's start with the why. Why should you consider GrabPay for your business? Well, it's simple. GrabPay is one of the most popular digital wallets in Southeast Asia, with millions of users. By accepting GrabPay, you're tapping into a massive customer base, especially if you're operating in regions where Grab is a dominant player. Plus, it offers a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers. No more fumbling with cash or card machines. They can simply scan a QR code or tap their phone, and the payment is done. Step-by-step guide to setting up a GrabPay merchant account. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up your GrabPay merchant account. Eligibility. Ensure your business is registered and has the necessary licenses. Check if your business type is supported by GrabPay. This usually includes retail stores, restaurants, and online businesses. Prepare your documents. Gather essential documents such as your business registration certificate, tax identification number, and bank account details. You may also need to provide additional documents, depending on your specific business and local regulations. Sign up. Visit the GrabPay Merchant Center or contact a GrabPay representative. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. Be prepared to provide details about your business, including its location, contact information, and the types of products or services you offer. Verification process. Once you've submitted your application, GrabPay will review your documents and conduct a verification process. This may involve site visits or additional document requests. Be patient during this process, as it can take some time. Integration. Once your account is verified, you'll need to integrate the GrabPay payment gateway into your point-of-sale (POS) system or online store. GrabPay provides detailed instructions and technical support to assist you with the integration process. Start accepting payments. After successful integration, you'll be ready to start accepting GrabPay payments. Train your staff on how to process GrabPay transactions, whether it's through QR code scanning or card tapping. Tips for a smooth GrabPay merchant experience. Clear signage. Display GrabPay signage prominently in your store to attract customers. Customer education. Inform your customers about the benefits of using GrabPay, such as convenience and security. Reliable internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection to avoid payment processing issues. Regularly check your account. Monitor your GrabPay merchant account regularly to track transactions and manage your funds. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest updates and changes in GrabPay's policies and procedures. With GrabPay, you can enhance your customer experience, boost sales, and stay ahead of the competition. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start accepting GrabPay payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.